this is Pete. Leave me a message.
Well, your days are getting dry. Aloe plant under your eye. Wear your hair just like the moon. Curse at me and I curse at you. And you know I don't mind it too. Fuck you. Cigarette flicking with the plastic shoe. 35 minutes just to put his coat on. Old man love you like a Coca-Cola. Think I'm gonna miss that old smoke aroma.
Well, then we're back, and this is our third week on this deer fencing. Coming to an end now. I think we originally quoted about 4 weeks in it. Lots of twists and turns, lots of groundwork what needed doing. I think we were about 150 metres. Only a couple of straight runs. Obviously for us the time consuming thing is at the end of when you've got a turn or anything like that, or at the end of each section you've got to do the termination knots. So well, that's the way we've done it in this project anyway. I think it's the best way of doing it, but that's me. So yeah, let us know, have you ever done deer fencing? How do you do it differently? What are you guys up to this time of year? Are you busy? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace.